Welcome to Gadgets Ranker. Buying your first drone can be exciting, but with so many options available, choosing the right one isn't always easy. A beginner-friendly drone should be simple to fly, offer reliable safety features, and capture great photos and videos without costing a fortune. In this video, we're counting down 5 of the best drones for beginners that deliver excellent value, stable flight, and an enjoyable flying experience. Number 5. Holy Stone HS72OG. Starting our list is the Holy Stone HS720G, a fantastic entry-level drone for new pilots. It combines an easy-to-use flight system with impressive camera performance, making it ideal for anyone learning to fly. GPS-assisted flight keeps the drone stable, while features like Return to Home automatically bring it back if the battery gets low or the signal is lost. The brushless motors provide smooth, quiet operation and better durability than traditional motors. With intelligent flight modes like Follow Me and Waypoint Flight, beginners can capture professional-looking footage with very little effort. If you want an affordable drone packed with useful features, the HS72OG is an excellent place to start. Number 4. DJI Neo. The DJI Neo is one of the easiest drones for beginners to fly. Its lightweight design makes it highly portable, allowing you to take it almost anywhere without hassle. Despite its small size, it delivers surprisingly stable flight and impressive video quality for casual creators. One of its biggest strengths is its intelligent automated flight modes, allowing users to capture cinematic shots with just a few taps. Built-in obstacle awareness and advanced stabilization help make flying much less intimidating for first-time pilots. If you're looking for a compact drone for travel, family videos, or social media content, the DJI Neo offers an excellent combination of simplicity and performance. Number 3. Potensic Atom. The Potensic Atom has quickly become one of the strongest alternatives to more expensive drones. It offers excellent image quality, long battery life, and a compact foldable design that makes transportation easy. GPS positioning provides stable hovering, while intelligent flight features help beginners create smooth, cinematic videos without advanced flying skills. The drone handles wind surprisingly well for its size, giving you more confidence when flying outdoors. Its user-friendly mobile app makes controlling camera settings and flight modes simple, even if you've never owned a drone before. For beginners who want premium features without paying flagship prices, the Potensic Atom is a fantastic choice. Number 2. DJI Mini 4K. The DJI Mini 4K is one of the best beginner drones for anyone serious about aerial photography and videography. It records stunning 4K video while remaining lightweight and incredibly easy to control. GPS stabilization allows the drone to hover accurately, making smooth shots much easier to capture. Intelligent Return to Home adds an extra layer of safety, while beginner flight modes help new pilots build confidence quickly. Battery life is excellent, giving you enough time to practice flying and capture beautiful footage before landing. Thanks to DJI's reliable flight technology and simple controls, the Mini 4K offers one of the best overall flying experiences in its price range. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. Taking the number 1 spot is the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Although it's more expensive than the other drones on this list, it's also the easiest premium drone for beginners to learn, while offering room to grow as your skills improve. Advanced obstacle avoidance dramatically reduces the chances of accidents, while intelligent flight modes automatically create cinematic camera movements with minimal effort. The camera captures outstanding photos and detailed 4K video, making it perfect for travel, YouTube, and content creation. Flight stability is excellent even in light wind, and DJI's intuitive controller makes every flight feel smooth and predictable. If you want the best beginner drone that you won't outgrow anytime soon, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is the clear winner. Final thoughts. Your first drone should make learning fun instead of frustrating. Every drone on this list offers beginner-friendly controls, reliable safety features, and excellent camera quality for the price. Whether you're looking for an affordable first drone or a premium model that will last for years, there's an option here that fits your needs. Choose the one that matches your budget, practice regularly, and you'll be capturing incredible aerial footage in no time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which beginner drone you would choose. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Gadgets Ranker for more videos.